this is the entrance, and next to the entrance there is the toilet and the bedroom. One single bed is here and one folding bed. Here we have the very spacious living room with the leather sofas and the smart TV with Netflix and YouTube. You can enjoy the view of the deck, and the fireplace is also here to warm you up, especially during the winter time. And in Karizawa it's not common, but just in case we have the air conditioner too. And here is a very big glass dining table, and next to it you can also enjoy the counter bar. And this is the very luxury kitchen with 2 IH grill. All the utensils are here. And the rice cooker, the teapot, coffee, toaster, microwave, nice refrigerator, and along with all the utensils. So you can enjoy your food and the drinks too. Here we have 2 washing machines along with the washing powder. Here is the natural spa, that is the sauna, to detox your body after your long tiring day. And this is the shower room. Here we have 2 sinks and a very nice and clean bathroom. Let's go upstairs with me. While going upstairs, you can enjoy the very beautiful mountain view. Let me introduce the second floor. In the second floor, we have the bedrooms here, here, and over there. So 3 bedrooms here. So you can see here the 2 beds and 1 sofa. And you can enjoy your tea time in this balcony. It's really relaxing. The second bedroom, we have 2 single beds and the sofa bed too, and the air conditioner also. Here we have the third bedroom with 2 single bed, 1 sofa bed, and from here also you can enjoy the beautiful nature in Karizawa. Show you the another one. These are the 2 single beds, 1 sofa bed, and very beautiful balcony. Please come. Enjoy your stay in Minami Karizawa Polar House. We are looking forward to meeting you soon. Thank you.